All right, good evening, good evening. It's Friday, January 10th, 2025. We're gonna just do a cozy little vlog today because this day went by so fast. I hate to say that I didn't have time, but I just did not have time to really film anything. I made a promise to myself that I'm gonna film every day. So this is my promise, me fulfilling that promise, filming today, even if it's just something like this. It's just me and Zoe right here. There she is. Zoe is with Preston in the bedroom. I'm gonna go lay with them as soon as I'm done. Hi, Elsie, come in. Oh, well, I'll be done like in 5 minutes. What are you gonna do? Okay. Where was I? That was Elsie. She's gonna use the computer when I'm done with it. So far, I'm 4 for 4 on uploading vlogs every day. It hasn't been easy, but it hasn't been hard either. So, you know, I know I've been talking a little bit about everything here and there, the Bro Bracelet Club, my family, this and that, but I think what I'll do in this video here is I'll talk about what I'm learning from daily vlogging. For one, what I'm noticing is that it's getting easier and easier to pull up my camera and just film. Just anything and everything. I was aiming to make my videos about like 6 to 8 minutes each, but they've been actually 10 minutes or longer. I think that's pretty cool, but that's not my goal. But at the same time, I do prefer making longer videos. What I would like is to have enough content to where you can be vacuuming, you can be doing homework, you can be doing nothing. And my videos could just be on like maybe like the living room and you can just be, I don't know, streaming them or whatever. What I'm also doing is I'm actually keeping up with Bro Bracelet Club because I'm having myself make these vlogs. It's making me not just put the whole idea in the back of my head. It's keeping it up front and center for me to make sure I'm prioritizing that and getting things done. It's also helping me stay committed to the things that I've been wanting to do. Like I really have been wanting to help Zoe with dinner, and making these vlogs has helped me stay committed to that. You okay? Where's Preston?
Follow me to the bathroom.
Oh, okay. Anyways, this has been fun so far. I genuinely can't wait to look back like 100 videos from now and hopefully seeing the progress that I've been making in everything, every aspect of my life. My filming, the way I talk, my voice. Hopefully my voice gets better. When you first start making videos, the hardest thing you're gonna come across is just figuring out your voice, because you don't wanna have a fake voice. You wanna make sure you're the real you is talking to the camera. And it's hard, it's really hard. And the only real way to get better is to just do it and keep doing it, keep at it. That really is the only way to get good at anything, is repetitive processes, getting better at those processes, and just sticking to it, just stick to it. For anybody who is wanting to make YouTube videos, because TikTok is going away, it sucks. So people are moving to other platforms. I've been on YouTube for a while now, but I've never really stayed consistent, but I'm making it the point this year to do that. So if you're kind of new to YouTube and you want to make videos here, just do the same thing that you did for TikTok or Instagram or anywhere else. Just make your videos, post your videos, and you figure it out along the way. You don't need to have a really good camera. You don't need to have really good lighting equipment. I'm using my computer screen right now to give me this light, right? I'll take these off if that reflection's distracting. But I'm using the computer screen to give me this light. It's dark. It's like 10 o'clock right now, 10 p.m. Don't overcomplicate it. That's probably the best way to put it is when you're making videos, don't overcomplicate it. What happens is you start thinking too much, and then you end up doing nothing. You start thinking, I should do this, or I should do that, what should I do, what should I say? And then you end up just doing nothing. So the best thing to do is to just put your foot forward and just make something and just post it up. And look, here's the truth. You're probably not gonna get any views. You might get 2 views, 3 views, but look at that as a positive thing, because first of all, you're afraid to make content, you're afraid to make videos, and you're afraid to post them because you're gonna think, oh man, people are gonna see it, and what are they gonna think? Well, no, they're not gonna see it. Nobody's gonna watch your video, no offense. But that's just the truth. Nobody's watching my videos. Nobody's probably gonna see this. But here I am, because I'm prepping myself for that day when things do kick off, when things do work out, when Bro Bracelet is a $100 million business. And people are watching this and like, damn, this dude really started from nothing. And I'm doing that to encourage other people. And I'm also doing it for myself, for my family, for my kids. I want them to know that even at nothing, at the bare bottom, you can make something of yourself. But I want them to know that they can do anything and be anything. The world is just constantly changing. There's 2 types of people. There's creators and consumers, and I would hope that they become creators, whatever they do in life. As long as they're contributing to the society in a positive way, then that's all I could ask for. Anyways, I think that's gonna be it for this video. It's gonna be a short vlog. This has only been a few minutes, but look, thanks for being here. Thanks for sticking with me if you've watched this. If you're looking to make content, make videos, I can help you out. Just if you have any questions, please let me know. I'll be happy to make videos about them. I'm making daily vlogs, so trust me, I'm always looking for things to talk about. So good luck, and I'll see y'all tomorrow. See ya.